Welcome to today's video. Imagine this. You're feeling constantly tired, bloated, and uncomfortable. Everyday tasks feel overwhelming, and your productivity takes a hit. What if I told you the secret to feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier lies in something as simple as the fruits you eat? Yes, that's right. Today we're diving deep into 8 incredible fruits that don't just taste amazing, but also help unclog your colon and improve your digestion. Your colon plays a crucial role in your overall health. When clogged, it can lead to issues like constipation, gas, bloating, and fatigue. Over time, these symptoms can snowball into more severe digestive problems. But don't worry, help is on the way. By incorporating the right fruits into your diet, you can take control of your digestive health naturally. Stick around as we count down the top 8 fruits that will revolutionize your gut health and set you on the path to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on transformative tips like these. Let's start with the ever-popular apple. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But do you know why? Apples are packed with a dietary fiber, and just one medium apple provides about 4.5 grams of it. Fiber is your colon's best friend. It adds bulk to your stool, ensuring smooth digestion and preventing constipation. Near 1. Apples also contain a specific type of fiber called pectin. When pectin reaches your colon, it's fermented by good bacteria, producing butyrate, a compound that reduces inflammation and supports colon cell health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the anti-inflammatory benefits of butyrate, which may lower the risk of colon diseases. How to enjoy. Dice apples into your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply munch on them as a snack. Your colon will thank you. 2. Bananas. Next up, we have bananas. Rich in fiber and potassium, bananas are perfect for promoting regular bowel movements. A medium banana offers about 3 grams of fiber, making it an excellent choice for unclogging your colon. Potassium, an essential electrolyte found in bananas, helps regulate muscle contractions in your digestive tract. This ensures that waste moves efficiently through your system. Plus, bananas contain resistant starchin, which acts as food for the good bacteria in your gut. How to enjoy. Slice bananas over cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or freeze them for a healthy dessert option. 3. Berries. Who doesn't love berries? Whether it's blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries, these tiny fruits pack a punch. They're loaded with fiber wire and antioxidants, making them a double threat against colon issues. Just 1 cup of raspberries contains a whopping 8 grams of fiber. Fiber helps clear out waste, while antioxidants like anthocyanins protect your colon from harmful free radicals. Studies suggest that diets rich in antioxidants may reduce the risk of colon cancer. How to enjoy. Sprinkle berries on yogurt, toss them into a salad, or enjoy them as a guilt-free snack. 4. Citrus fruits. Enter the world of citrus fruits, lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. They're famous for their vitamin C content. But did you know they're also fantastic for your colon? Vitamin C helps protect your colon cells from oxidative stress, while their fiber content promotes regularity. A 2010 study in the European Journal of Cancer Prevention found that higher vitamin C intake was associated with a reduced risk of colon cancer. Plus, citrus fruits help produce collagen, which repairs and maintains your colon lining. How to enjoy. Squeeze lemon into water, snack on orange slices, or enjoy a refreshing grapefruit for breakfast. 5. Papayas. Papayas are a tropical delight that double as a digestive powerhouse. They contain an enzyme called pectin, which breaks down proteins and aids in digestion. By ensuring smooth digestion, pectin helps prevent waste buildup in the colon. Papayas are also rich in fiber and antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene, which combat inflammation and protect against colon damage. Regular consumption of papayas can make a noticeable difference in your digestive health. How to enjoy. Add papaya cubes to fruit salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them fresh with a squeeze of lime. 6. Avocados. Avocados are more than just trendy toast toppers. They're colon health champions. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, avocados support regular digestion and maintain a healthy colon lining. One medium avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber, making it a superfood for your digestive system. The monounsaturated fats in avocados also aid in nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of other colon-friendly foods. Plus, their high antioxidant content protects your colon cells from damage. How to enjoy: mash avocado on whole grain toast, add it to salads or blend it into a creamy smoothie. Number 7. Pineapples. Pineapples are famous for their sweet, tangy flavor, but they're also rich in bromelain, an enzyme that supports digestion. Bromelain helps break down proteins, reducing the strain on your digestive system and promoting colon health. A 2008 study in clinical immunology found that bromelain could reduce gut inflammation, making it beneficial for those with conditions like ulcerative colitis. Pineapples also provide fiber, helping to sweep out waste and toxins from your colon. How to enjoy: snack on fresh pineapple chunks, blend them into a tropical smoothie, or grill them for a delicious treat. Number 8. Kiwis. Finally, we arrive at the kiwi. Don't be fooled by its small size. This fruit is a colon-cleansing powerhouse. Rich in fiber and actinitin, a unique enzyme that aids protein digestion, kiwis ensure smooth digestion and regular bowel movements. A 2013 study in Advances in Food and Nutrition Research found that kiwis improve bowel function and ease constipation, making them an excellent choice for colon health. How to enjoy: slice kiwis into a fruit salad, blend them into smoothies, or eat them whole for a quick snack. Additional tips for colon health: while these fruits are fantastic, remember that colon health is a combination of factors. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help fiber work its magic. Exercise regularly. Physical activity keeps your digestive system moving. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of low-fiber, high-fat foods. Practice mindful eating. Chew thoroughly and eat at a relaxed pace. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you're ready to take charge of your digestive health, start with these 8 colon-cleansing fruits. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our health tips and nutrition facts. See you next time on Nutrition Cure.